You already had 3 slices of banana. No more. No. Stop giving me attitude. That's not nice.
Want to go to daycare? Hudson.
Our mom is mad at us because the other morning we tried to make friends with a bunny who trespassed in the yard. Except bunnies are a bit more fragile than we thought. The bunny screamed and then mom screamed. Now mom feels like a bunny murderer because she had to bury the bunny body in the woods behind the house. She needs to get over herself because we saw 2 more bunnies in the neighbor's yard yesterday, and if they trespass again we will be forced to play with them. Maybe these ones won't be so fragile.
Skya, what is this? What is this? What? You want it back? You want it back?
George, you got a gift, monkey. What's in there, George? What's it say? Look, it's from Kim. Aw. What's in there, George? Open it up. What's in there? You like your blanket? How do you like it? George watches SpongeBob. Oh. This is cool, George. George, you got a bunch of toys. What is that? Can you open it up? You like your new toys, George?
Hi mom, I've been staring at you for hours. Thank goodness you're finally awake. I hope you don't notice that I just shit all in the kitchen, but if you do, just know I'm still a good girl and will give you lots of licks and kisses. Now will you get up and throw the damn toy because I've been wanting to play.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
My mom is mad at me because I am the reason we have child locks on the stove even though there are no crotch goblins living in our house. That bitch had the audacity to play the agilities outside with my brother without me. So I barked a bunch and catapulted my body about like a rabid kangaroo on methamphetamine. During my party for one, I turned the stove on and the whole house reeked when those jerks got back inside. My mom had to open all the windows and sit outside with me and my brother and our 2 cats for 2 hours. She got ravaged by mosquitoes and I am not sorry. Serves her ass right for not making all the playtime my turn.
Good morning. Good morning. I have a plate for you. Hi, look, there's a baby. Okay, I have cat food, an apple, and some marshmallows. Come on, let's go put it down. Come on, Tubbles, follow me. It's all right. Hang on, come on. Here you go, baby. There you go. That other baby is just not into me at all.
Amora, que é isso?
What happened right there?
Skeeter bat.
What was it?
A skeeter bat.
A skeeter bat? Did it hurt?
Yep.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
My mom is mad at me because she woke up at 3 a.m. and drove 6 hours to take me to training. I took a shit in my crate and then dumped my water bucket over. I made a shit lake in my crate. She used 2 entire rolls of paper towels and a fuck ton of Clorox wipes to clean up my mess. I have had 4 baths and I still smell like a nasty swamp bitch.
Say, man, you want to get on that 2K? It's whatever, dog. God dang, look at that girl over there. What girl? In them blue shorts. Oh, I see her. God dang, her booty. Oh! Greg! Greg! Get back, man. I wanted to think I did it on purpose. Want me to help you get out? Nah, bro, just let me swim. We pretending like I did it on purpose. Oh, so we planned it off. Okay. Boy, you dived in that water like you was an acrobat. Yeah, man, you know. Taking this evening dip is a must. Hey, when you come out the water, you should shake your head like this. Aight. She's still looking. Yeah. Okay, I'm about to flex my muscle.
You tell it, but was good girl.
Oh no! Oh no, honey. That's your problem. What's your problems, huh? Ooh.
Yardo, Yesha.
Wow. Wow.
Do you have a cat toy?
When you talk about something, Clyde, we just heard that cat toy, and we think it's in your mouth. Is it in your mouth, Clyde? Clyde, I'm going to give you a chance. Drop the cat toy. I don't want to have to go in there. There it is.
Oh, we heard it.
I knew it was in there. Yeah.
He's not, she's not clucking or anything.
Look at her peeking.
Oh, thank you God for animals. They're so fun.
I got your nose. Ooh. Oh, you're sneezing on me. Whoa. I'm sorry I got it in your nose.
Hey.
Like, this is annoying. Who the fuck leaves a kangaroo just randomly? Like, what?
Erwin. I'm naming you Erwin. Hey.
Echo. Are you getting jealous again, Steve? Did you make this mess, Steve? Nope, Steve. Sorry, Steve. No, that's right, Steve.
I know your Uncle Dane took you outside. Oh, he didn't? See, the thing is that he told me. He told me that he took you outside. They keep
George, you promised to be a good boy on our walk and no barking at the little dogs. Okay, let's go.
Hey, I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to tell you how much I love you.
And Grandma loves you too.
What? What do you want?
She wants the
What do you want? You want the window? You want the window? No.
You had the window for so long.
It's hot outside, Mika. What?